Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about this plant. There's only 2 orchids here, but it looks big. This is my first time to order from Sundance Orchids and Bromeliads. They are from Fort Myers, Florida. So this is gonna be my first time. I have already opened the top, but we're gonna go together and see what's inside. Okay, so actually I have one Dendrobium and then a Cattleya. Let's see, it's got big sweet canes here, which is good. Okay, it's a little bit, so it's a good healthy plant. It's got big canes and there's a new growth here. Alright, it's gonna be, I think, yeah, we'll have to repot this one. It looks like they hang it. It's been hanging like that, but yeah, or maybe not. Maybe this is for to keep them from tilting over. Okay, so this is Dendrobium Goulding Woodland cross with Salk. It is a species from New Guinea, yellow with a deep chocolate black throat, and it's a rare plant. And there's the price. So I think this is a reasonable price. So maybe one day when I go there in Fort Myers, I'll visit their nursery. So we'll just put this back there. I'm gonna repot it anyway. It's already loose. The plant. This is my second one already, because I actually have this, I think, in orchids.com, but the one in orchids.com is smaller, and this is a 6-inch pot. It looks very healthy. Let's see. It's got this nice green canes. It doesn't look old, so they look like they're just newly matured canes, and it's gonna be a lot of blooms coming, looks like, if once they're ready to bloom, because these are old, I mean, they're not old canes. It looks like they're new and haven't bloomed before. So this is a good plant, or specimen that I sent me, because it never bloomed before, and it has a lot of mature canes. So once it ready to bloom, there's gonna be a lot of blooms, you know, from that each cane, hopefully. So this is one of my favorite. I know I did a video of it from the orchids.com, and I put a video of how pretty this is. It's actually got also the highest I didn't know that, because I was wondering why this is so pretty why it didn't get an award, but actually it did. It has the FCC. I have to pull this tag there. There you go. This is a very nice golden yellow, very pretty large cattleya. So this is Potinara Ho1 Gold Kang, number 2, and it has the highest award, FCC, from RHS. I think this one, I have to look up what's RHS, but I think it has an award from Canada, this one too. So it's a large, long-lasting golden yellow, and it's fragrant. And all these canes, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 canes for $40. See? Yeah. So I really like, you know, the prices, it's, and the plant, how healthy they are. It's really a great buy to me. So this is my second one, but this is a bigger specimen for $40, which is I'm very good with that, because it is a very healthy, and it's almost blooming size, or it is a blooming size. So we'll see. Let's see, yeah. So this is how the plant looked like, the Potinara, 20 days later. Very healthy, all those green roots coming out of the pot, and those young growing suitables. They look so pretty and healthy. And this is the Dendrobium. 20 days later, there's that new growth in the back. So yeah, right after, the next day after I received the plant, I potted it. So it's a mixture of medium bark, small limestones, charcoal, licabids. It's just to aerate the media. I mean the roots. It helps aerate the roots. So yeah. And this is, it's growing. This got new growth there on the top. And yeah, this is getting here indirect bright light, and I anchor the plant with these 2 clips, pot clips, so it stabilizes it, so it doesn't it keeps it from moving all the time, and it's faster for the growth to grab on to the new media and adapt to the new pot. So yeah, this is an update on these 2 new plants, and yeah, Sundance, Orchids, and Bromeliads did a good job of sending me a very healthy plant. So yeah, I encourage you to check their website out. And yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase, and I'm sure you'll be too once you receive a healthy plant. And thank you for watching.